to go on guitar. We have DOMINIC, FIKE, yeah, anyway, I'm not sure there, but this cool song is called Dancing in the Courthouse. So happy song, cool vibe there with the strumming as well. So let's start with one up. We don't have any capo on this one. You have a couple of chords to go over. Let's do like we usually do, starting with the chords. So that's the D. We are playing the open D, second G, third B, and second E. The next chord is A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Bar chord next, the B minor. So you place a bar on the second fret. You bar all strings except from this last E here in the bass. So 5 strings, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have G coming up. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We also have the D F chord. That's a D chord but with an F sharp in the bass. So that is 2nd on E, and then I mute the next string with my finger I'm using there, my index finger. I'll lean it on top of the A string. So that is muted there. And then open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. And then finally we have the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so a couple of chords there. We need to look at the strumming pattern, and it will be divided into 2 different parts here. We need to think as pair of chords. So 2 chords will be 1 strumming around through entire song. So we'll start with the first transition there from D to A. So D is played for part 1 of this strumming pattern. That is down, down, up, clap. Like that. So down, down, up, clap. Alright, and then we'll move to the next chord, A in this case, and that is part 2, and that is played down, down, up, clap, down, up. So play 1 down immediately after part 1, and then you have a pause there, and then comes the down, up, clap, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, down, up. And if you combine these 2 parts, it goes like this. And with tempo. Alright, so we're ready for a song here. We have this 1 chord progression that goes through the entire song, and it starts with D and then A. Then you go B minor part 1 and then G part 2. So B minor and G then. And then you continue with B minor and the D F chord. Like B minor part 1 and D F part 2. And then you end with A part 1 and E minor part 2. So part 1, part 2, it goes back and forth like this. 2 chords, they pair up together. So from the beginning, it's D, A, B minor, G, B minor, D, F, and then A, E minor. Like this. A, B minor, G, B minor, D, F, A minor. Sorry, A and E minor, of course. We have the whole A minor here, but anyway, a couple rounds of this goes like this. guys, so Dancing in the Courthouse, a great fun song to play. So give it a try, and if you enjoy this tutorial, please thumb up, and I hope to see you on this channel very soon. So till then, play tuned.